everyone, and today we're gonna make a volcano out of dough. First, we need the salt, water, and oil. We will mix them up, and the flour. Next, the salt. Then the oil. Then we mix them up with our hands. Wow!
And then,
Our hands dirty.
Pop. You need help?
Yeah. Maybe I could use a little help.
Wow, dough.
It's our first time. Dough. This dough's not for eating, it's for volcano. And we will always need food coloring too. Because if we paint it, oh no. Since we made the dough, we need to first flatten it a bit. The dough's getting really hard. Looks like a biscuit. People can make biscuits like this. And now we have a dough for the volcano. Since my mom helped me for the first steps, now my dad will help me make the volcano. Now we will need to just shape it. Ba. Papaya. It's erupting. Okay, and that's the volcano. But later we may see how we paint it. Okay? Bye! Okay, so guys, you remember what I did with the dough? Now I'm painting the volcano with watercolor. There should not be any more colors except for brown and red. If there was more colors, that would be a rainbow volcano. And the next, since it's painted, we will mix the food coloring. Since we painted it, put the topper here, and then put some baking soda. Isang buo muna. Full it first. Full baking soda. And more. Maybe all. Okay guys, 3, 2, 1, explode! Whoa! Whoa! Oh, wow!
Dami.
Oh no, it's overflowing! Oh no! It's overflowing! It's full! Oh, so much baking soda. But it's even shaking. Oh! It's even shaking. Wow! poisoned. If they try to eat this, they will just slide off. Wow!